one JLPT ready grammar point and 3 real sentences, and let's master it fast. In today's BitSize Japanese, we're going to take a look at the grammar point あっての, which is a JLPT N2 grammar point, and it means that indispensable too. So let's take a look at the grammar structure. So we use the first noun plus あっての plus the second noun. It means that the second noun only is possible because of the first noun. We emphasize the N1 exists and an N2 exists because of that. The English meaning is that indispensable and made possible by. So let's take a look at some examples. The vocabulary that the first example uses are I love, 結婚生活 married life, 結婚生活 married life, 暮らす to live, 暮らす to live, 意味 is meaning, 意味 is meaning. So let's take a look at the actual sentence. 愛あっての結婚生活だ。愛がなければ一緒に暮らす意味がない。So let's take a look at hiragana of the sentence again. 愛あっての結婚生活だ。愛がなければ一緒に暮らす意味がない。Let's take a look at the structure. I love あっての is the structure の結婚生活だ。So married life exists because of love. Okay. 愛がなければ if love doesn't exist 一緒に暮らす living together 意味がない does not mean anything. So it means that a marriage life is only possible because of love. Without love, there's no point in living together. Let's take a look at it again or read it again. 愛あっての生活だ。結婚生活だ。愛がなければ一緒に暮らす意味がない。Okay, let's take a look at the vocabulary of the second sentence. 私たち we. 私たち we. お客様 customer. お客様 customer. 仕事 job. 仕事 job. 何より more than anything. 何より more than anything. 大切にする to value, to cherish. 大切にする to value, to cherish. Now let's take a look at the actual sentence. 私たちはお客様あっての仕事ですから、お客様を何より大切にしています。Let's take a look at hiragana and read it again. 私たちはお客様あっての仕事ですから、お客様を何より大切にしています。So, if you look at it, お客様 is that first noun. So, customer あっての仕事. So, customers exist, that's why jobs exist. お客様あっての仕事ですから、お客様を何より大切にしています。So, we value customers a lot, or above all. So, it means that our job exists because of our customers, so we value them above all. Okay, now let's take a look at the vocabulary of the third example. 交渉 negotiation. 交渉相手 counterpart or the other person. 相手自分 is oneself. 自分 is oneself. 都合 is convenience. 都合 is convenience. 主張する主張する means to assert. 主張する assert. うまくいく to go well. うまくいく to go well. Now let's take a look at actual sentence. 交渉は相手あってのことですから、自分の都合だけ主張してもうまくいかない。Let's take a look at the hiragana and read it again. 交渉は相手あってのことですから、自分の都合だけ主張してもうまくいかない。It means that negotiation only exists because of the other party, so asserting your own needs all the time doesn't work. So if you look at it, 交渉 is negotiation, 相手 is the other person. So one exists and then the other exists. So 交渉は相手あってのことですから、because of this, 自分の都合だけyour own convenience, your own interest 主張しては if you talk about that all the time, it doesn't work. うまくいかない. So it does not work that way. So one more time. 交渉は相手あってのことですから、自分の都合だけ主張してもうまくいかない. Negotiations only exist because of the other party, so asserting your own needs all the time doesn't work. So that's it for today. That's it for today. Always learn more with less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.